If you feel the need to crack your back, that's a problem. And it's your brain's way of telling you that your spine wants movement. The problem is that if we could all crack our backs and fix our problems, once we cracked our backs one time, we would never feel that same urge or tendency to want to do it again. But for all of us, if we don't have a strong brain, our brain is literally going to continue to tell our body that, hey, I need movement in this part of the spine, which is why popping your neck feels good for a moment and then it always comes back, and you end up being the person who I laugh at when I see you in the streets because you're doing it every 20 minutes and it looks like you have some like glitch in your system because you're popping your neck constantly.